In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your old resume on LinkedIn. So it's very simple. All you need to do is click on your profile icon. From here, choose Settings and Privacy. Now on the left side, choose Data Privacy. And here, scroll all the way down to this Job Seeking Preferences section and choose Job Application Settings. From here, you will see your resume. So this is mine. And you can delete it by clicking on those three dots, then choose delete. As you can see, this will delete your file and your resume. So now you can upload your new by clicking upload resume, and you can choose from your computer. So I have this new resume, and that's it. That's all. That's how you can delete your old resume. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.